MSA, October University for Modern Sciences and Arts, was founded in 1996 and became a distinguished educational establishment. It has been the pinnacle of Dr. Nawal Digwi's experience in education for over 50 years, throughout which she dreamt and realized great success in promoting the educational process in Egypt and the Middle East. Visitors to MSA have spoken of the magnificent design of its buildings that are fully supplied with state-of-the-art equipment. Our students find themselves in an advanced educational environment that is constantly updated with the latest technology. In addition, visitors to MSA get the positive vibes of team spirit, which Dr. Nawal Digwi has created among MSA staff.
It is easy to come onto this campus and to be enormously impressed by the beautiful buildings, the beautiful landscaping. It's a lovely place to learn. Someone has taken great care to assure that this is not only aesthetically beautiful, but beautifully equipped for the most modern education. But what is the most impressive element about this, of course, is the enormous enthusiasm that I felt among the students and faculty for the work that they're doing. If you don't have excitement about learning, I think that learning is not going to be very successful. And so I congratulate all of you for investing in your own educations, and I think you're very fortunate to have faculty and staff that support you.
The two British universities, Middlesex and Greenwich, have chosen MSA as the only university in Egypt as their effective partner.
I'm very impressed by what I hear, because if you've got two universities like Greenwich and Middlesex as your partners, then you have a very high quality of British university education.
The curricula that is being taught in MSA is equivalent with the two British universities, and through the validation statement, MSA students from the faculties of Engineering, Computer Science, Management, Mass Communication, Pharmacy, and Biotechnology receive certificates from both Middlesex and Greenwich. In addition to the international degree, MSA graduates receive a national degree accredited by the Egyptian Supreme Council of Universities.
The campus, I have to say, it's extremely impressive. So I found the students extremely lively, the staff very impressive and very impressed by you, the students, and by the facilities and the caliber, the level of teaching here. So I'm very impressed. I think it's a lovely place to work.
The following scenes are a short introduction to our dental school, but to see in person will give more justice to the fact. The study at the Faculty of Dentistry at MSA University is a 5-year program comprising of 10 semesters. The physics lab, shown here, where students perform simple physics experiments in relation to the dental field. The zoology lab, which provides the basic embryologic development, types and functions of tissue.
We recently opened a new diagnostic and research center in MSA, containing very advanced machines for studying specimens. We have tissue processors, microtomes, and microscopic analyzer. We are ready to diagnose any pathological conditions with different staining techniques.
The chemistry lab, which serves both inorganic and organic courses, supplies the basic chemistry in relation to dentistry and to understand the structure of organic compounds in relation to the human body. The dissecting room provides the student the understanding of the basic anatomy of the body with emphasis on the head and neck, and the skill to dissect human cadavers while identifying different structures and organs. It also is supplied with models and specimen jars. This is the preclinical fixed prosthodontics lab, where the students are taught the different preparation techniques and wax pattern formation. We have 6 other preclinical technology labs for the restorative, endo, removable prosthodontics, and the fixed prosthodontics. All the labs are supplied with dummy heads and micromotors. The orthodontic course comprises of preclinical course where the students are taught banding, soldering, bonding, wire bending, and establishment of anchorage. This is one of 2 simulator labs used for preclinical training in the restorative and fixed prosthodontic courses.
After finishing their study in the labs of MSA University comes the role of dental clinics. Here the students are taught the most updated techniques by very qualified staff members and with the most updated tools and equipment available in the market.
The good thing in being an MSA dental student is that we don't only learn how to work as dental practitioners, but we also learn how to deal and cope with different situations in our upcoming professional life.
The X-ray department is composed of 1 digital panoramic and cephalometric machine, 9 periapical units for patient service, and an automatic processor and VistaScan unit. Also, 5 other periapical units for student training and requirement completion in the radiology and preclinical endodontic courses. This is the OR room used for complicated surgical cases.
Here at the OR Theater of MSA University, we offer the patients free oral and maxillofacial surgical treatment for trauma cases, temporomandibular joint reconstruction, removal of benign and malignant tumors, and cleft lips and palates.
Before entering our clinics, I would like to stress on the level of asepsis and infection control present. All the patients are treated free of charge, and most of them use the university buses for commuting.
In MSA, we believe we must have an effective role towards the community. Therefore, the clinical students participate by going on medical convoys, not only to enhance our clinical abilities, but to help the less fortunate.
We are really proud here at MSA University for having outstanding students and graduates in the national and international level, as we have joined the ADEE. Selection of highly professional staff, very advanced updated materials and dental units with a very accurate infection control system. All these criteria will lead to a smart education and unique students.
We have a total of 205 ADEC dental units divided over 11 clinics, serving all the clinical subjects. We have apex locators and rotary applicators in the endodontic department. The CEREC 3 is present to serve the fixed prosthodontic and restorative department for inlays. A diode laser is utilized by the oral surgery department, and we also have a special implant kit to serve our patients. The production lab serves for the processing of complete and partial dentures, porcelain inlays, crowns and bridges, which are constructed by the CEREC 3 milling machine or by conventional porcelain furnaces.
Dental school is impeccably clean, seems to be perfectly well organized, and gives absolutely very adequate and very spacious surroundings to the students to learn the job. And I understand that there is a very good system of collecting patients and making sure that they get a very, very good clinical exposure and hands-on experience. I was very impressed with that. Every success starts with committed members in the team, and they are surely there, so I'm quite confident that the team must be good.
Students' activities are among the main targets of the university to develop the student personality. All of this in a beautiful building, amazing landscaping. It's MSA.